In question 2, the problem statement says draw rough sketches for the following. So we are given these three conditions and we have to draw a rough sketch for each of the three given conditions. So let's look at the first part. In the first part, we have to draw a triangle ABC in which BE is a median. So here's an arbitrary triangle ABC that I've drawn, and in this triangle we will draw the median BE. So what is a median? A median is a segment which joins a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So in this case, we have to draw the median BE, which means we have to draw the median from B to the opposite side AC. So if the midpoint of the opposite side is this point, let's label it E. And now if we join B to E, this segment BE is now a median in the triangle ABC. It's the median BE. So that completes part 1, part A. Then in part B, we have to draw a triangle PQR in which PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. So here's an arbitrary triangle PQR that I have drawn. In this triangle, we want PQ and PR to be the altitudes. Now, what is an altitude of a triangle? An altitude is a segment drawn from a vertex which is perpendicular to the opposite side. So we want both PQ and PR to be altitudes. So if PQ is the altitude from P to QR, then we would want this angle here to be 90 degrees. Okay, and if PR is the altitude from P to QR, then we would want this angle also to be 90 degrees. But both these angles cannot be 90 degrees at the same time. So how can PQ and PR both be altitudes of the triangle? Well, there's only one possibility, which is that the angle at P itself is 90 degrees, like this. Okay, so in this case, QP is perpendicular to PR, correct? So we can say that QP is an altitude of the triangle drawn from the vertex Q. And similarly, we can say that RP is perpendicular to PQ. So RP is the altitude drawn from R to the opposite side, PQ. So the only situation where both PQ and PR are both altitudes of the triangle is if the angle at P itself is 90 degrees. So that is the answer for part B. Okay, and now in part C, we have to draw a triangle XYZ in which YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle, which means it is outside the triangle. So here's an arbitrary triangle XYZ that I have drawn. Now, if I draw the altitude from Y to the opposite side XZ, I will get a segment like this. Okay, so let's actually draw it more accurately. So from Y, if I drop a perpendicular, I will get a segment like this. Okay, and if this is the foot of the perpendicular, we have this segment YL. But the problem is that this segment lies inside the triangle, and what we want is YL to lie in the exterior of the triangle. So how can that be possible? Well, if you consider the situation where the angle at X is obtuse. Okay, so if you look at this angle here, this angle is obtuse here. In this case, if you draw the altitude from Y to XZ, what will you get? Well, to draw the altitude, you will have to extend the segment ZX. Okay, so let's extend the segment ZX like this. And now you would draw the altitude from Y to this extended segment. Okay, so you would drop the perpendicular like this. And this is 90 degrees, and this is the foot of the perpendicular, which is foot of the altitude, which is L. And now we see that the altitude YL lies in the exterior of the triangle XYZ. So this is a situation in which this is possible, that the altitude lies in the exterior of the triangle. So that's part C, and with this we have completed question number 2.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.